Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at whether or not you can claim compensation if you've been involved in a horse riding accident, offering up some completely free advice along with information on what you need to do to speak to a law firm completely free of charge in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. Horses are majestic creatures, and horse riding is a very popular hobby. But just like any other animal, horses can sometimes act in an unpredictable fashion. So it's important that those responsible for your safety when around horses act in a responsible fashion, as accidents can result in both psychological and physical suffering. If you've been involved in a horse riding related accident that occurred within the last 3 years, the good news is that you may be able to bring a claim for compensation. Who is responsible for the accident may not be immediately obvious, so we highly advise that you speak to a law firm with experience in dealing with claims of this nature, and I'll shortly be explaining how you can do just that without having to pay a single penny. But first, I'm going to go over some of the things that you can do in order to help strengthen your claim. You should try to take as many photographs at the scene of the accident as possible. You should also make inquiries into who the owner of the horse is, or if you were involved in a road traffic accident whilst riding a horse, collect the contact and insurance details of the driver of the vehicle that caused the accident. It's important not only for your health but also for your case that you have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. They'll advise you on how best to deal with your injuries, but you should also make a note of when this assessment took place, as this will make it much easier to get hold of a copy of these records at a later date. If anybody witnessed the accident, you should also ask them for their contact details in case you need to take a statement from them at a later date. One of our final pieces of advice is that you should keep track of all expenses incurred as a result of your accident, as you may be able to claim back for these as part of your compensation. This includes medical costs, care costs, travel costs, the cost of any personal items damaged in the accident, along with any loss of earnings or potential future earnings. Now, earlier on, I promised that I'd explain how you can speak to someone from a law firm in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation for a horse riding related accident. You can contact legalexpert.co.uk on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once we've spoken, if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that you don't have to worry about any upfront fees, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are accident at work claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.